Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is Best Coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video. So let's get started. It looks like there's a persistent misstatement in your description. You're referring to coin as a 25 Saudi Riyal coin, but based on the denomination 25 and the mention of 1/4 Riyal or 25 halala. This is not a 25 Riyal coin. It's a 25 halala coin, worth 0.25 Saudi Riyals, which is much less. Here's a corrected version of your description with accurate and complete historical context. Saudi Arabia, 25 halala coin 1/4 Riyal, AH 1400/1979 CE. Denomination, face value, 25 halala. Equivalent to 1/4 Saudi Riyal, 0.25 SAR. Indicated by the numeral 25 in Arabic and English. Year of issue, Islamic date, AH 1400. Gregorian equivalent, 1979 CE. Material, likely copper nickel or other base metal alloy. Designed for everyday circulation. Current face value, April 29, 2025. 0.25 Saudi Riyals is almost equal to 18.74 Pakistani rupees. Exchange rate. 1 SAR is almost equal to 74.97 PKR. Note, this is the face value, not collector value. Historical context. In 1979, Saudi Arabia was expanding economically due to oil wealth and infrastructure development. The Saudi Riyal was not yet officially pegged, but was closely tied to the US dollar. In 1986, the Riyal was formally pegged at 3.75 SAR per $1 US, a rate that continues to this day. The stable peg has helped maintain price stability and investor confidence in the region. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe on my channel for more videos.